Sorry, we're having problems with our video player at the moment, but are working to fix it as soon as we can. Waiting for video. Published 0930 Tuesday 26 September 2017. In its first 6 weeks of operations, Southwestern Railway says it has already accumulated more than 10,000 pieces of lost property. The most common include umbrellas, coats and mobile phones, but the company's storehouse also includes some more bizarre finds. What are the most unusual items that have been left recently? Barrister's wig ironing board pirate flag, complete with pull-leather lounge chair, a pair of false teeth, giant inflatable shark, giant prize bananas, pandas, and donuts from Thorpe Park. Michael Pugh, customer experience manager at Waterloo Station, including lost property, said our staff from across the network work hard to ensure passengers are reunited with their belongings. However, we would encourage everyone to check they have their belongings before they leave our trains. Keys, phones and wallets are always such a pain to lose, but it's the sentimental items that really cause problems for passengers. Anything lost and found on Southwestern Railway stations, including items left on other train companies' services, is sent to an office in London Waterloo and kept for 3 months. Most of the items remaining unclaimed after 3 months are donated to charity or recycled. SWR urges customers to use its online enquiry form to register a lost item, or call the Lost Property Office on 020-7401-7861, open Monday to Friday. 07301900. Merge accounts. Custom True.